nipiga picha yangu Phoenix na mwelekezo wangu Maka nyuma ambao wananifresha sana hii leo. Naam, asilimia ya mashabiki katika mchuano wa robo finali kati ya wenyeji Kenya na Madagascar itakuwa asilimia 80 kutoka asilimia 60 ya hapo awali baada ya shirikisho la soka barani Afrika CAF kulegeza kamba. Naam, huko haya kijiri, kocha timu ya Taifa Harambee Stars Benni McCarthy amedokeza kwamba kikosi chake kipo tayari kwa mchuano huo dhidi ya Madagascar katika uga wa Moi Sports Center Kasarani.
Everyone's probably just soaking up the atmosphere and what they've achieved, but we know there's still much more hard work to come from this, and team will be ready for tomorrow. So today we have our last training sessions where we just work on last bits for tomorrow. But yeah, I think calmness is what we need. It's good that the occasion don't get to become too big for the players, so that we keep our feet on the ground and we stay humble and we just enjoy the ride that we're on, and looking forward to tomorrow, and hopefully, you know, we can do ourselves and our families proud again.
Quarterfinals starting from the group stages, and I think as players we appreciate that, and I don't think we are really distracted by the hype maybe on social media. We are just focused on the task ahead. That's Madagascar on Friday.